Ang umaayaw ay hindi nagwawagi at ang nagwawagi ay hindi umaayaw. Most people don't fail. They just quit too early. Success doesn't always belong to the fastest, the strongest, or the most talented. It belongs to the one who refuses to walk away when it gets hard. Winners bleed. Winners cry. Winners get tired, but they keep going. Kaya kung nasa punto ka ng panghihina ngayon, kung pakiramdam mo walang nangyayari, kung parang lahat ng effort mo ay hindi nakikita, remember this, hindi ka patalo hanggat hindi ka sumusuko. The moment you quit is the only moment you truly lose. Kaya keep pushing, keep fighting, and keep believing. Your breakthrough might be one more try away. So don't quit now. Winners never do.